Have you ever wanted to analyze your assets in as much detail as possible? Or have you ever wanted to share your trading ideas and build a community around it? Then TradingView might be exactly what you're looking for. With over 30 million traders and investors, TradingView is the biggest and most popular free-to-use charting platform out there. With TradingView, you can analyze any financial asset like stocks, futures, forex, cryptos, indices, bonds, or even entire economies. You can apply over 100 available public indicators, or you can build your own with TradingView's scripting language, PineScript. If you ever wondered how well a trading strategy really works, you can also simply backtest any strategy on historical data on TradingView. TradingView is the best broker for beginners because it has a built-in paper trading function, and as soon as you're ready to trade with real money, you can connect to your broker right from the TradingView chart and start trading. TradingView also has a community section where people live stream the trading ideas. You can also research top trading ideas from across the community, produce your own analysis and inspire others, or chat in real time. With TradingView's heat map, you can scan entire markets with one click, group them however you want to see them. With TradingView's scanner, you can filter assets based on any criteria you specify. You can look for the cheapest companies making the most money, or which cryptos are performing strongest this month. This way you can always find the perfect asset for your trading strategy. TradingView has 3 paid plans and 1 free plan available. For most use cases, the free plan is more than enough. The upgraded plans let you add more indicators to your chart, open multiple layouts at once, or have a higher count of active alerts. If you're a trader or investor and you are not using TradingView, then you are definitely missing out.